Gene here. I want to go through how to use our FireSprint price guides, which are located on Google Drive, something that you can get from us. So these price guides are set up in Google Sheets here, and they are view only. I'm going to show you how to actually edit them here in just a second, but let's go through what we're looking at. So the first sheet here is actually going to be the net price grid. So these are your prices. If you're going to go right here to firesprint.com and buy these products, this is what you'll pay, and we'll keep these up to date for you. And then here is a retail price grid. Now, these are suggested retail prices. FireSprint never sells at a retail price. We are trade only, and we only sell through our nationwide network of resellers. So this is a suggested price for you. These are on a C, which means that there's a 40% margin available for you if you sell at these prices. So we do that by dividing the net price by 0.6, and that gives us a 40% margin for you on these products here. So that might vary on these price grids. You'll have to check it. And if you want to edit it, well, I'll show you how to do that in just a second. We'll go to the retail price sheet here, and this really is where the money's at. This is what you're looking for. This is your sales tool. Now, we want to edit this in a way so that we can either email it directly to our clients or print it off and hand it to them. And this is how we do it. The instructions are right here. First of all, we need to save a copy of this. And if you have a Google account, it's a business account or a personal Google account, it can be a free account. You don't need to pay for anything. You can go up to make sure you're logged in and then go up to File and then make a copy. If this is grayed out, it's because you're not logged in as your Google account. But very simple, File, make a copy, and I can name it whatever I like and put it on my drive wherever I like, make a copy. And if I'm only going to use this once, I don't even have to worry about it too much. I can make this copy every time I need it. And then I'm going to go down to the retail sales sheet printable. And now, since this is my own copy, you'll see that I can edit any of this information that I like. So I might change my business name to I'm Gene, so Gene's Signs. Of course, you would put whatever you like there. And then be sure to come down here and edit your company contact information. And then I'm going to, in order to print this, so you edit this however you like, I'm going to print this. I'm going to select these cells here. So I'm going to click A1, hold Shift, and then click down here in H50 in this case, and select all of the cells that are available that I'd want to print. And then I'm going to go up to File, Print down here. And I may want to edit some things here or adjust these, but the most important thing I'm going to do is go back to the selected cells. And what that's going to do is that's going to get me down to most likely one page if it's working correctly. And you may want to adjust the scale if it's showing on multiple pages. And then really what's important here is I want to come to formatting, and I want to make sure that grid lines is deselected so that we get a nice white clean background. And then if I hit next, I can print or save. In this case, I'm not connected to a printer, so it's not giving me an option to print, but I can save this as a PDF, or if you're connected to a printer, it'll give you options to print. And then you save that. And then you can hand it to your clients or email it directly to them or whatever you need to do. Thanks for watching.